Hi guys, 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 you might have seen the video where we drew cats blindfolded. And guys, me and Leah have ripped 4 objects. So guys, we're going to pick out 4 as 8. And guys, we have to draw it blindfolded. So let's get started. So put your blindfold on and pick one out.
Okay.
I'll put it on. Yeah.
That's. Oh!
Can you see?
Where's the bowl? This it?
Yeah, pick one. Now we are. So you picked reindeer.
I'm not good at reindeer.
Go on, so just put your blindfold on.
Do I have to draw it?
No, we both do.
Okay.
I'm gonna get my pen. So you have to at least find your paper. So just get your blindfold on. So what is the blindfold on? Ready? You put it down. Oh, but now put it down more. So don't put it down.
Can't move.
1, 2, 3, and just find your paper and start drawing.
Okay, you.
Okay, finish mine.
Finished.
Oh my god!
Look at mine.
Now I'm going to show you what I'm doing. This was my drawing.
That's Katie's.
That's mine now.
And this is mine.
Now,
This is Leah's.
now
Reindeer.
wait, I'm going to pick one now.
Oh, that's pretty good. Turn it over.
So I have one. Wait, it's all your thing. Wait, it's all yours in there. Unicorn!
No, not good at you.
Do you know what you were drawing? I've never even seen you draw a unicorn. What? No, we haven't started. 1, 2, 3, start.
Finished.
No, don't open there.
He looks better.
I'm going to make it looks better.
That's Katie's.
That's my unicorn. I feel
And
so
this is
ashamed.
mine.
I feel so ashamed of my unicorn. Now, pick one.
I need some.
Now we're out.
Oh, I need some more
So you
paper.
got hot dog, which I did. They're mine. Yours are there.
So we've got to draw a hot dog.
I said hot dog as well.
We've got to,
Oh guys, we might do them all together. I think we're going to do them all. As it's really funny. So again, at the end guys, we might do... Where's mine? Where's my pen gone? It's here.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, we're going to put 1, 2, 3. Finished. I need to get another pen.
Okay, but that still counts.
Yeah, I need to get another pen.
So this is mine.
And show the camera mine.
Okay, that's mine. It looks like a carrot. And this is Katie's.
Scribbling. My pen was actually out.
Yes.
We said try and take Katie to work forever. That one.
I'm using mine on the back as well.
I'm not.
I know. Because that's just wasted paper.
I need another thing. I need another. He'll come in the back and help me find another pen. Come on, are you going to help me?
It's okay.
I'm sorry about this. I need another pen here. Thank you. Does he work?
This one does. But let's check.
I'll just use this one. I'll just use this one. Yeah, I'll just use this one. So, is this
Use one of the blue pens. Got a pen inside.
No. So let's just gonna.
Where's my pen gone?
So now it's Leah's turn to pick one.
No, I just picked one.
No, I picked hot dog.
Okay.
As you picked unicorn, didn't you? Wait.
Well, I just
Oh wait, I think you just picked hot dog. No, see, it's my turn again. I forgot it's my turn.
No, because she just picked hot dog,
Look,
didn't she?
I took it off and read it. And you went first then, and this is awful. Oh, so it's actually my turn.
You
Just had
to go.
No, because didn't you go first? As you went first, it would be my go now. As you went the last time.
No.
This is our last one. So I'll just do it.
No,
I
it
think
isn't our last one.
Yeah, this is our last. I mean, so. Why are you drawing the cat?
Because I did the cat.
But what are you doing, the cat?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. You can see how good we are better.
Oh.
Doing back.
Why is making me do something even harder? Why is you just killing me? I better draw a cat again. So sorry about all the things that we just did. So 1, 2, oh, put it on. 1, 3. Done. This is nice.
Mine looks better.
Sorry. I wonder if I actually had it right for this picture of the face. Oh my God. So you're going to just finish there. So on the back now, so go in the back of one.
I've already done in my back.
So pick one. So guys, these are the ones that we could have got. Wardrobe.
Let's just use this square.
1. Because it has to have everything that wardrobe. So have a look at the wardrobe there. 1, 2, 3. I might get extra points for what I'm doing. Finished. Mine is pretty good.
Mine is.
My wardrobe.
That's Katie's.
The clothes are inside.
This is mine. It looks blue, but it's not. It's mine. It's showing up. Yeah, that's mine.
Now,
Changing colour.
now on the back. No. My turn.
Oh, look on the back.
So guys, we're going to get, so this is one of Leah's, and this here. Was this one of your favourite ones?
Dog.
A gog.
Yeah,
It says a gog. And look, it says a gog.
I actually don't like what a dog.
Let's do a
I
dog.
thought it was just
1, 2, 3. Is it on? 1,
No, I'm not ready.
1, 2, 3, go. Finished. Finished, yeah, definitely finished.
No.
Yeah, it's phone. In the background, it's a phone, guys. This is my dog.
I want to draw a bow.
Oh my God, why is it?
Oh, what a bow. I'm just drawing a bow.
Guys, the last one will be. And last
A
one
rabbit.
will wait, what does it say?
A rabbit.
Oh, why is it on animals? So what was the first one that you did?
A dog and a cat. A cat. It's my dog. I put a rabbit for some reason. I put a rabbit. What's the rabbit?
The rabbit. Come on, let's just get
Yeah,
started.
so it's a rabbit.
I better go on the back one. I won't on the. Look at this one. This is so guys. Because we're gonna draw a rabbit.
Rabbit. A rabbit.
1, 2, 3, go.
Well, what does a rabbit look like? Done. Done.
Done. How come all mine look good? All mine like are looking good.
Okay, you look at mine.
Mine's doing a carrot on mine. That's mine. Like this is like.
Mine looks like a massive finger, but you not like that. Doesn't it, guys?
Yeah, hope you like this video. So,
Number Bob.
so 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Look at that.